Thank you, Charles, for inviting me.
And I have to say that you're here by default. But it is one default that we're very grateful that it took place.
Thank you.
Now, you married Zik when you were just 26,
Yes.
from what I understand.
Yes.
What was it like for you becoming the wife of such a legend?
Charles, I've been answering this question.
I can imagine.
And I hope after this Arise News prime time, I'll be okay. No more questions.
I like that. You would have answered everything. Well, I'm glad you're doing it on this point.
I always see my marrying Nnamdi Azikiwe as a destiny, God's plan. Because there is no way, growing up in the barracks, my father was a police sergeant major. In the barracks, we lived almost in everywhere, Calabar, Enugu, Lagos. And I had no contact whatsoever with such a person. And so, but as God had planned it, and that's why I believe in God, no matter what you say, I believe that there is God. Because if not that it is from God, it wouldn't have been possible. Who am I? So, everything happens according to God's plan. And the story is that she danced. Yes, I danced. From Afikpo. I'm from Afikpo in Ebonyi State now.
Right.
So we danced to entertain politicians in those good old days, in the 60s.
So you caught his eye?
No, that is the...
It's rather roving.
That is the misunderstanding there. There were 4 of us, my elder sister, myself, and 2 other girls. So after dancing, our representative at the National, what do they call it before the war? National Assembly?
Yeah, the House of Representatives.
House of Representatives. Yeah. Over then in the 60s, Chief Nnamdi now informed my dad after months that Zik says he will give scholarship to one of those who danced and to receive them and won a job. My sister had gone through his teacher training and I was standard 6. So it happened that I don't know how they did it. My sister was the one given the job and I was the one that got the scholarship. So I went for his scholarship for 5 years, or that is 3 years before the war. We all ran away. I ran back to Afikpo. And the only time I see him is with my results at Queen of the Rosary Secondary School in Nsukka. So, and there were many of us, Onitsha, Nsukka, people that were enjoying his scholarship in that Queen of the Rosary Secondary School in Nsukka. So during the war, we all scattered. My father took us to Mbise. At Mbise, they got him. My father is a politician, or was a politician then, and a very strong, good, well-known police officer then. So how they got in touch where he was in Nekede, I think it was in Nekede. So he invited them, the 3 friends, my father, the 2 friends, to come and see him at Nekede. I think he switched around. They said, yes, that I'm with them. So they said I should join them. I just sat quietly with my father. My father was a disciplinarian. He did not talk or sneeze in his presence. So I just went there, sat where they put me down, and they chatted, and we left. That was when I saw him during the war. Then after the war, one of those who was managing his properties in Abuja, Chief Disu, A.K. Disu, was contacted, according to my father, to reach out to all those that had his scholarship if we are free. Most of us got married, most of us died. So if we are alive and you want to continue, you are free. So A.K. Disu got in touch with Justice Anyebunam, Fred,
yes,
from Onitsha. who now got in touch with my father. And I said, sure, I am free. I didn't get married. I'll go back to school. So, but instead of going to KRSS, I now went to Holy Child Secondary School, Sharon, which was nearer to Afikpo. Instead of coming to Nsukka, I couldn't make it to Nsukka. So I completed it at Holy Child Secondary School in Nsukka, Abuja. No, Abakaliki.
Right.
After that, he asked me, what would you want to be? I said, I want to be a nurse. So I said, okay, I'll send you to the nursing school in London where he sent his younger sisters in the good old days. So I prepared and went to Onitsha, ready for going to London for my nursing school. So it was there that the story changed.
I like that. That's a very interesting story.
So I am a destined child and nothing else.
Well, thank you for sharing that with us.
I want the whole Nigeria to hear, so no more questions on that.